Have you been looking all over for a backyard oasis, a place to call your own in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada? Well, you're going to want to take this tour with me while I showcase this stunning home located very close to Southgate Shopping Centre, LRT access in southwest central Edmonton, where this massive 5-level split has about 7 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and this stunning swimming pool, a gazebo, a hot tub, a place to enjoy with your family for a long time coming. This property has been fully renovated, brand new kitchen, including quartz countertops, luxurious vinyl plank flooring throughout, fresh paint, has been done extensive renovation, and is located to a lot of mature schools and walking trails. So come with me, Karen Stanko with Remax, while I tour you through this fantastic home.
The wait is over. Call this stunning Aisling home yours today. This home is an estate-style property located in the mature community of Ermiskin. This area is sought after. It's 5 minutes from South Edmonton Common and to the Anthony Henday. Is in walking distance to an LRT line and has beautiful, stunning homes throughout this location. Walking in, you will notice how bright and airy the property is. It has recently undergone a top to bottom renovation, has newer windows and luxurious vinyl plank flooring. The best part about this home, however, is the gourmet kitchen, which has been extensively renovated, has luxurious quartz countertops, new appliances, a cool glass backsplash, gas stove, and also has tons of cabinetry and even a breakfast bar with additional cabinets. There's a gazebo outside, and it does have a massive above ground swimming pool. The sunken living space has a wood burning fireplace. It is an open concept feel. The main floor also has laundry and a 2-piece bathroom and a side entrance that opens up to a deck, a location that you can get around from the garage. And this is the area where you can scoot out when you want to use the hot tub. There's a main floor bedroom, so if you do have anybody that has any mobility issues, this is a great home to call yours. It has over 3,500 square feet of developed living space. Moving on upstairs, there's a massive primary bedroom with a fully renovated ensuite bathroom. The 2 additional bedrooms on this floor are large, and there is also a fully renovated 4-piece bathroom with a walk-in shower. Both additional bedrooms overlook the backyard with the stunning swimming pool, and the yard is surprisingly massive, boasting over 734 square meters of space. The sunroom is bright and airy and can be used for 2 seasons. The vinyl plank floor is carried on there, and it does have a lovely feeling. As you move downstairs, the vinyl plank goes through, and there are 2 additional bedrooms and a 3-piece bathroom on this floor. The bedrooms are bright and airy and have large windows. The furnaces have been upgraded as well, and there is a storage space or den on that floor. The lower level or proper basement is fully finished as well with a bar, and also has a wood-burning fireplace on this level. There is so much space, it really is perfect for the person who has a large family or an extended family. Call this yours today. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX. Plunge into your own backyard oasis. Why wait? Thanks for joining me.